OE style. Direct fit. Included components, wiring. Package dimensions, 4.0 L by 2.0 H by 4.0 W inches. Omix-ADA proudly offers high-quality replacement parts so that you can keep you part of the Jeep heritage on the road. Parts that always meet or exceed manufacturer's specs for quality you can trust. This replacement tail light wiring pigtail fits 0718 Wrangler JK, JKU models. Fits left or right side. Sold individually, used 2 per vehicle. Replaces OE 68,004,166 AC. Top reviews from the United States. Great deal. I bought an extra one to have just in case. This deal was too good to pass by. I paid more going to the auto parts store SMH. The shipping was fast as well compared to the auto parts store.